Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily find downloaded files on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin. And basically it depends on what type of content you have downloaded, because if it's a photo, the process may be different a bit. So let me first open up Safari browser, and now I'm going to show you how you can download photo. So on Safari you can just hold down on any photo and then hit add save to photos, and in that case you can find that photo at your Photos app. You can open up Photos, then Recents, and here it is. In the same way, you can save pictures from any website and from some apps. So if it's about the photo content, then you can find it right here at your Photos app. If we are talking about some different type of content, let's say a Word document or a PDF file or maybe zip archive, you have to go to the App Store and then search for files. Just hit at that search icon and then just type in files, hit on search. And then just make sure that this app has downloaded and installed at your device. That's official Apple app to manage your files at your device. So I'm just gonna hit at open, and then in order to find your downloaded files you may actually open up Recents tab, and that shows you all the files that you have downloaded to your device recently. They are sorted from newest to oldest. Also, you can right here hit at browse and then just open up downloads folder. You can first go back and select one of two locations. The first is iCloud Drive, the second one is on my iPhone. You can, let's say, open up on my iPhone, then get into Downloads folder, and you may find your downloaded files here. So you can just scroll down until you find that file. You can also use the search to search by file name. And if you can't find your file here, you might try to go back and then search it at the iCloud Drive. You can just get into it. This also has downloads folder within, and then you can just get into that folder. As you can see, those files are different. That's why you should search in both of these downloads folder, and most likely your downloaded file will be here. If you can't find it at downloads folder, you can go back to browse, and then you may try to search for your file's name right here in that search box, because maybe you have saved it to another folder on your device or at the iCloud Drive. So in that way you will definitely find your file by its name. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.